Carrots are not keto friendly, but they are certainly low carb because a cup of grated carrots has about 7.2 grams of carbohydrates and a lot of healthy nutrients. And even if you are not a big fan of nuts, these healthy refreshing carrot balls are a means of adding healthy nuts to your diet. So let's make them together. To make these delicious carrot balls, you need to grind up your nuts. You can add any nuts. I am using walnuts. Then add your desiccated coconut and then add any sweetener that you like. I am adding Oriza stevia because I have made many videos that after Oriza stevia, my sugar level decreases instead of increasing. Now add any nuts of your choice. I am adding cashew nuts and then add a bit of xanthan gum. This is optional. Even if you don't add xanthan gum, your balls will come out fine. Now add a bit of cinnamon powder, a bit of salt and mix all the dry ingredients well. Now add a cup of grated carrots. I am using red carrots because these are in season. If you get black carrots, those are more beneficial. Now add a bit of vanilla for taste and then add cream cheese. Now mix all these ingredients well, in fact knead them so that they come out together. When you press them, they should hold their shape like this. Now shape them into balls and you can make a lot of balls, and if you want you can eat them like this. They are very delicious, very tasty, but I want to coat them. So I am mixing some cream and in the cream I am adding some 90% Lindt chocolate. If you have a higher percentage of chocolate you can add that too, but make sure that you don't add the store-bought chocolate with hydrogenated oils and refined sugars. Anyway, add some stevia, sweetener of choice to taste, and then melt it in the microwave till it becomes a ganache like this. Now dip your carrot balls into this ganache and these are your chocolate coated balls. You can have them like this or you can cover them with desiccated coconuts so they become like small snowballs. The decoration is up to you. So I have made all these together and you can see I have made a row of the plain carrot balls, and then I have made a row of carrot balls with chocolate on them, and I have made a row with carrot balls with desiccated coconut on them. These carrot balls are to be taken chilled, okay? Put them in the freezer, they'll become like tiny ice creams, and they are really tasty with all the benefits of carrots for your skin and for hair. And you know all the benefits of carrots, they don't need any mentioning. So let me know in the comment section below, did you make them and with what nuts did you make them and how did you coat them? Tell me all the tips and tricks that you use to make your kids and husbands eat these healthy things which they usually don't eat at all. Because as we all know, there is a storm of advertisements advertising these bad foods containing processed oils, processed sugars, and which are not at all healthy. So best of luck fighting these food lords. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.